All right, now let's move on to speaking part two. And your topic is describe a time when you helped a child. So this is past tense, and you can narrate the whole thing using the past tense. Please start.
uh, Helping is a very good things. I have given help and received many times. So I would like talk to about situation when I was in 12. I helped a kid, my neighborhood. um, my neighborhood. His name was Vas Server. He playing a cricket. He playing a football in the school ground. Suffering his ankle. So I decided to help him and advised to take some rest in 3 weeks. So. So suffering from others given help, then becoming selfish.
Okay, you spoke for 55 seconds, which is less than a minute. So the first thing is try to speak more. Second, you are adding S with several words. Like in the beginning, you said things. Another one is pronunciation. The word is not talk, the word is talk.
Talk.
Talk, pronunciation. And then you said my neighborhood. It should have been in my neighborhood. So the word in was missing there. And then you said he playing. It should have been he
Played.
was playing.
He was playing.
He was playing. And then you said I decide. It should have been I decided to help him. So focus your tenses. Most of your mistakes are related to tenses. Then you didn't speak for 1 minute. That's another thing. And try to come up with more ideas. And more ideas will come when you practice these topics. Okay. Now let's move on to speaking part three. Why do you think it is important to help children?
Because children.
Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah, you need to come up with some ideas. Like, it is essential to help children because they don't know what to do in certain situations. They are inexperienced and they are not mature. So that's why I think we should try to help the children. Wherever we see any child in need of help, we should try to help them just like this. Okay. So this is only possible if you're going to practice these topics and you come up with some ideas, then it'll be fine, right? Okay, thank you.